Morning, everybody. So here's what's going on this morning. Still like a little bit before daylight. I got to go over here to the barn and get the garbage. I done missed about 2 or 3 weeks somehow or another fooling with these hunters and stuff, and I got a pile of garbage. I've been to load her down today. And then I got to get just a little bit of work done. I can't get it all done this morning. I got something I got to do with Cody today. And then we'll have to finish our work this evening, see what we can get into. I just have to see with this project I got going on with Cody today, how much filming I'm gonna get to do. But anyway, we'll be back in just a minute. I ain't sure how good y'all can see that. It's a 98. It's loaded down with the garbage. I'm gonna get my money's worth this week. Hey, Rose. That Rose, you got TT? Good girl. Good girl. So I may be making a mistake. Not sure yet. I've been thinking about making Rose a house dog. She's been sleeping with me every night so far. Going pretty good. She's a pretty smart little old dog, so I'm gonna keep weighing it out and see how it works out. She might make it in the house. I'm not sure yet. I'm gonna try for a little while. Alright, so I don't know how much filming I'm gonna get to do. Me and Cody's going to today is a little school function, farm day. And we couldn't go do that without getting a biscuit from Jack's. Don't that look good? Good. We'll be back. Alright, we headed down Highway 17 this morning out of Hollisville, Alabama. I don't know if I've ever showed y'all the Tombigbee River from this way. I'll slow down and show y'all what it looks like right here. Pretty this morning. Old barge running down the river. Big old cows, Cody. Bunch of them. Y'all to look at that John Deere. That is some kind of rig right there.
Look at that.
8345, that's a stud right there. This is farm day in Alabama. John Deere everywhere. Ain't no telling what all we're gonna see today, Cody. That's a nice tractor there. We're finna watch some dogs work some sheep.
I got a whistle that tells Kate to go to her left. I got a whistle that tells Kate to go to her right.
You need to use a whistle.
All right, we're gonna be quiet now when we get them. How far away are them sheep?
Go the other way.
Alright, be quiet now. I may have to whistle to her. She'll need to hear me. Be quiet. Now she's approaching them real calmly, not to get them stirred up. She'll ease on behind them there just a minute. Watch. There she goes. Alright, I'm going to bring them up here. I'm going to bring them around this barrel. I'm going to send them over here and put them around this barrel and cross them over there and put them around that barrel. Then we communicate properly with them.
Bite them.
Hey, down. Hey! Kate was being ugly there. She wasn't listening. Y'all would just back up a little bit away from the road.
Alright, me and Cody made it through farm day. We gotta hurry up and get back to the house. I got to finish feeding the deer. We'll be back here in just a few minutes. Alright, well, we got all the deer fed. I got little Miss Rose out. She's gonna be a mess. Come on, girl. Come here, girl. Hey, hey. Yeah, she's gonna be alright. Alright, I'm gonna let her eat a minute and we'll be back here in just a minute. Alright, so here where I'm at. I'm over at the Brown house. Gotta do a little sprucing up before I get some customers here. I'll let y'all know something. When you're working in the bathroom and got customers, if you don't do anything else, always put a new bar of soap. Never leave a used bar of soap for new customers. That just ain't right. Even if you don't clean the toilet, you got to put a new bar of soap. Alright, let's see what else we gotta do. Well, here's one thing I gotta do. I'll be back. That's looking pretty good, ain't it? Yep, I'll be back. Alright, y'all. Just about dark. Me and Rose got the beds made. A little out of the ordinary day today, me having to go on a field trip, but every once in a while you gotta do what you gotta do, and that was pretty interesting. Folks had a lot of equipment. And that guy with them dogs, that was pretty cool. That was a good dog. But anyway, if y'all like our stuff, subscribe to us. Hollis Farms. Appreciate y'all watching. Out of here.